sarcasm?
I wasn't talking to you, I was talking to you.
I think that was the scratch right now.
Watching? I think it was the same dude that stopped there. It's kind of weird. It's like watching his time. I mean,
Get ready.
I feel like if you can watch anyone fine.
Main attraction of coming to this park. Watching the weird people.
Just like drive through and see these freaks on these rock walls. Like, how you doing, Coop? Hold on.
Hey, yo.
I think some customer to ask me later. Sorry for the short road. I love you. I think today's a good day. I certainly enjoyed it. In well. Yeah. I'm kind of intrigued by it. It's gonna be fun for me. I really like thinking about my time. I like having the ability to kind of rest a little. Is that the bolts? Is that the bolts?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Hold on a second. Hey, give me a little slack.
I haven't felt it yet. Come on, Noah.
Yeah, dude.
Alright, that's it.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, low.
Dude, how's it going?
It's pretty nice. It was like easy but fun. And plus it was nice and scary without fun.
Oh, it's good, man.
Got a treat.
Huh?
Hell yeah.
That's the first time I really like let high,
That you like?
and it was scary, but I liked it.
And it was like, the moves weren't even hard, but they were scary. I don't know why. But I really discovered that I don't like smearing on this stuff.
Yeah.
I really,
I don't.
I think that's kind of why I was scared. Because
Every time I'm like, I have to do this, I'm like, oh, I don't know. Hopefully this is a college town. I don't know how to tell you.
have another sip of your agua.
Yeah. Will you catch me? I'm gonna put that down before no fish.
Did you drink? I had 2 leftovers. I took 12. Quick draw, so I have 2 leftovers. Damn, I just remember I fell on the first bowl.
Damn, I did so good. Is that the crux right here at the start?
Yeah, I just didn't see the hand. So I just had to go for it.
Yo, here's my phone. If you guys want to show me some tunes. While I'm up on the wall. Is it leaving it if you top up the first 2 drops?
I think yeah.
Chalk, shoes. That's all I need. That's a 2 drop. You don't need it. Climb a lot.
I'm just gonna play you like this.
Okay.
I'll-
Just don't let
pinch
off.
it.
Okay, good. That's a little. Cold up there?
No.
Alright. Got me?
Yeah,
How long you drop right here?
I like this song.
Hard at.
yeah, they're right here. I couldn't reach that very well.
That's also like really close to not being 5'7".
Yeah.
Oh, people over there. Started out. short, no?
Gotcha.
You do